Kitchen's Harbor Bridge.
Yeah. Bridge, laki-laki ng bridge yan. Yan yung bridge. Grabe, sobrang laki. Yan yung Opera House. Medyo hindi pa natin makita ng maayos. Yan, Opera House. Mamaya nandyan tayo.
Ayun,
Okay.
yung Opera.
Alin daw?
Yun,
Ate?
Sydney Tower.
Sydney. Where's the Sydney Tower?
There, over there.
Saan?
Your left side.
Ah, yan. Sydney Tower.
Ay, nakikita mo, ayun.
Okay.
Mamaya maganda to sa tower.
What can you say?
I like that.
Which one? Ah, you like the tower?
It's so cool.
Ganda, no? Yan ang city.
Tower.
That's the Sydney.
This is the
Sydney
whole Sydney.
Oh, really? You like it to live here?
No,
Why?
I like my toys.
Toys?
Yeah.
Why? We can also have a toys.
Another one there. Toys. Another one there.
Another one. Ah, may mga building na ako nakikita ngayong araw lang. Mula pagdating ko, hindi pa ako nakakita ng building.
Ilang araw ka pa lang naman.
Oh, 4 days. It's my 4th day. Wow.
Tsaka it's the only time naman na makakapunta tayo sa city weekend.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
Another
Look at that.
bird. Another bird.
Yung mga bata, enjoy na enjoy kasi hindi kami madalas nagpupuntang city.
Ayan o, may motor oh. Cute oh. Ang liit. Pwede rin pala yung motor ko dito. Maliit lang. Scooter. Yun yung gusto mo, Kuya Vlad.